Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make a baby beanie. It's an easy baby beanie which can be finished within an hour. I'm going to make a small one, the newborn one, which will be about 4 inches in diameter. Okay, let us begin. I'm going to use this yarn and I'm going to use the hook size suggested here is 4 mm. So I have this hook that is 4 mm. I will provide the link for the materials I'm using here. I'm using Amazon affiliate, so if you click on the link and actually buy something, I might get some commission. To begin this baby beanie, we are going to start with a magic circle, starting with the chain 3, which is considered as the first double crochet. Then we are going to make 8 double crochet in the magic circle. Finish the 8 double crochets after the chain 3 and slip stitch to the third chain here. Now the first round is done. It is 9 double crochets. In the second round we are increasing in every stitch. So chain 3 and we are going to make one more double crochet. Hook. Then every stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet. So it will be like a 18 double crochet in this round. Finish making 2 double crochet in each stitch and we will meet again. Now the second round and 18 double crochets are done. The third round started with the chain 3. Then we are increasing in the first stitch itself. So we are going to make one more double crochet here. Then we are not increasing in the second one. Then in the next one we are going to make a 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet in the next one. So 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and repeat that one and you will have 27 double crochets in this round. We will meet again after making a slip stitch here. Now we finished 1 2 3 rounds and the third round is 27 double crochets including this chain 3. The fourth round again we are going to increase in the first chain. Then in the next 2 stitches we are just doing the double crochet. Now we repeat that one. Increase in the first one, then just 2 double crochet in one, then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So we are done with the 36 double crochets. The next is round 5. 1 2 3 4. Next is round 5. So we start again, increase in the first stitch, then the next 3 stitches we are not going to increase, we are just making 1 double crochet each. So 1 2 and the third one. Now again repeat 2 double crochet in the next, then the next 3 stitches we are making only 1 double crochet each. Crocheted piece is about 4 inches in diameter. So let us begin the pattern. So we are going to make 3 double crochet in the first chain. 1 2 3 chains, then 2 double crochet. That means 3 double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches, then on the third one we are going to make 3 double crochet. So skip the next two and go to the next one and make 3 double crochet, and we are going to repeat this one till the end. So we have finished the 3 double crochet clusters, skipping 2 stitches in the previous row. Now we have 15 3 double crochet clusters. So I'm going to slip stitch to the beginning chain 3. Now I'm going to slip stitch to reach the space between this cluster and this cluster. Slip stitch the next one and slip stitch to the next one, and we are going into the space between the 2 clusters, just like that. Now we are in the space between these 2 clusters. If you want to change the color, you can attach the next color in any of the space between the clusters. Now I am going to continue with my 3 clusters. Now I'm going to skip these 3 and going into here. So the next few rows you do just like this till you reach the height you needed. For a newborn baby, I will go with the 4-inch diameter for the crown, and for the height of the hat I will go for a 4 inches or 4.5 inches. Then we will do some edging too. And if it is for a different size, like if you wanted to go for 3 to 6 months, it will be like a 4.75 inches in diameter. 6 months to 12 years, it is like a 12 months up to 1 year, it is like a 5-inch diameter, and so on. Here is the finished cap. The granny clusters are going really in the sideways, and I like that way. If you like this pattern, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please help me to grow my little channel. See you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.